Welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka. Hope you all are doing great. So let's start today's video. But before it, you have to like the video and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. So let's start today.
So student, this is your chapter number 1, more on MS Word 2013. We are going to use Microsoft Word as software. Okay, you have already learned about the various editing and formatting commands arranged in different groups under each tab on the ribbon. Let's learn about some more Microsoft Word commands. Okay students, so let's move to the next slide. We are going to discuss find text. Okay, so in MS Word, Microsoft Word provide find and replace option in which you can easily find that word and write another word through the find and replace dialog box. So first of all, if you want to find any word, so you can click on find option. And how you will open it? You can go to home tab. Under the home tab you can see this editing group, and when you will click on find, that dialog box will appear. If you want keyboard shortcut key, so you can press Ctrl F, it will also directly open the dialog box. Now replace text. You may also want to exchange a particular word or phrase for another word. Find and replace feature help you to quickly make revisions. Okay, so student, to open the replace dialog box, same procedure is there. You have to click on home tab, you will go to editing group, and there is a replace option. If you want to open through keyboard, so there is a shortcut keyboard command Ctrl H. When you will press, the replace dialog box, find and replace dialog box will appear. Now to understand this concept, you can see this diagram. First of all, so you have to go to home tab, then in the under the editing group you have to click on replace. Okay, then this find and replace dialog box will appear. In the find word box, type the text that you want to search for the replace. Okay, here you can type, like you can see here it is written he. Okay, so it will find the word he. Then in the replace with box, type the replacement text. You can see this she. So first of all, it will highlight the first word, and the options are there: replace, replace all, find next, and cancel. If you will click on replace, so it will replace the highlighted text. It means the first word which is highlighted, it will replace only that one. But if you will click on replace all, so it will replace all the occurrence of the text in your document. Like if 5 times he is there, so it will replace he with she. Okay, and if you will click on find next, so after finding after replacing the first word, it will move to the next he. Okay, now it's up to you. You want to continue the replacement or you want to close it. If you want to cancel it, then you can click on cancel. Okay, to skip the occurrence of the text, proceed to the next occurrence, click find next. If you want to change the another one, you have to click on find next. If you want to replace all, then you have to click on replace all. If you want the particular word, okay, the first highlighted word only, so you can click on replace. So hope you understood. Now let's move to the another slide. Now student, we are going to discuss header and footers. Okay, what is header and footer? Header and footers are text or graphics which appear at top and bottom sections of the document respectively. With the help of the header and footer option, you can add page number, document titles, copyright notice, and so on. Okay, you can add in the top margin of the document or at the bottom margin of the document also. So you can click on header and footer, and you can see student, this side header and footer option is there. When you click, you are able to write under it. Okay, now editing header and footer. After writing in header and footer, if you want to edit, okay, so there are some steps to edit existing header and footer. What are the steps? Double click inside the header or footer area, the header and footer tool activates. Okay. The second step, change the text object in the header footer and close the header and footer tool. Whatever change you want to make, you can click in the header area or in the footer area, then the tools will activate under the design tab. And whatever change you want to make, you can make that change and then you can click on close the header and footer tool. In the same way, student, if you want to remove the header and footer, okay, so through this diagram it is clear to you. You can simply click on the design tab. Okay, so under this you can see header and footer options are available. When you will click on header, you can see at the bottom one option is there, remove header. You can see this arrow, remove header option is there. So if you want to remove all the information contained in the header, click the header command and select remove header from menu. In the same way, if you want to remove footer, under the header there is a footer option. You can click, you can see this arrow where it is going, and then there is remove footer. When you will click on it, it will remove footer from the document. I hope it's clear to you. So please revise from your computer book.